Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to advertise a job on Indeed for free. First, head over to Indeed and click on Post a Job to get started. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an employer account by filling in your company's name, your first and last name, and your phone number. Once your account is set up, it's time to begin with the job basics. Start by giving your job a title and specifying how many people you need for the position. Next, select the location you're advertising from. This helps target the right candidates in the right area. Now move on to the job details. Indicate the job type like full-time, part-time, or contract and the expected schedule. If there's a planned start date, you can include that as well. Next up is pay and benefits. Here you can define the pay range by setting a minimum and maximum account and choosing how the payment will be structured, per month, per week, or another option. Don't forget to include the expected working hours, any supplemental pay like bonuses, and any additional benefits the role offers. The most crucial step is crafting a detailed job description. For this, I like to use ChatGPT to quickly generate a professional and engaging description. Once you've reviewed the text and make any adjustments, paste it into the description field. Finally, review your entire posting. At this point, you can also choose to add sponsorship for extra visibility if you want. Once you're happy, submit the job post. Keep in mind, it won't appear on Indeed immediately. It usually takes about 3 hours for the job to be reviewed and approved. And that's it! Your job is now set to attract the perfect candidates, all for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!